Ever wondered how missiles work? Are they just big rockets? Can they think for themselves? Today we're breaking down missiles for dummies.
What is a missile?
A missile is a self-propelled guided weapon designed to hit a target, whether it's a tank, a ship, or even another missile.
So, what are the key features of it?
Explosive payload carries a warhead, boom part. Guidance system can be remote-controlled or self-guided. Propulsion uses rockets or jets to fly super fast.
Can you tell me how do missiles work?
Launch fired from ground, air, or sea. Guidance uses radar, GPS, or heat-seeking tech. Impact boom. Mission complete.
Can you tell me about types of missiles?
Ballistic missiles fly high into space, then drop fast, like ICBMs. Cruise missiles fly low and steady, like drones with explosives. Surface-to-air, SAMs, shoot down planes. Think Iron Dome. Anti-ship missiles target boats and ships. Splash.
Why are missiles important?
Missiles aren't just for war. They help protect countries and even launch satellites. So next time you see a missile in a movie, you'll know it's not just a flying bomb, it's high-tech engineering.